What if I were to tell you that you could make $300 or more a day for free and on autopilot? What if I told you that it took no more than 10 minutes a day and you could do it without showing your face or creating any content yourself? Well, the amazing thing is you can. It's all just with a specific strategy using affiliate marketing and YouTube Short. Now, by the end of this video, you're gonna learn a simple copy-paste way you can leverage a free software to spit out done-for-you YouTube Shorts you can post and begin getting endless traffic to whatever affiliate link you want to promote. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure you smash the like button right now to let me know. Also, be sure to go to the first link below to get totally free access to my 4-day affiliate marketing crash course showing you the fastest way to make your first $2,000 online. So without further ado, let's dive into the training. Now, like I said, this is all about YouTube Shorts. I want to share with you a few channels that are actually using this and crushing it with this method. You can see this channel right here. It's all about very simple, short videos that have to do with motivation. So YouTube Shorts are 60 seconds or less, and it's basically just a short video. You can see right here, this is 20,000 views, 138,000 views. Now, this isn't even the person of the channel, okay? These are celebrities, and I'm gonna share with you how you can literally start to do these videos in minutes, again, without even having to create them yourself. Now, if I go to a website called socialblade.com, you can put in any YouTube channel, and I've put in the one there, and you can see on average the estimated monthly earnings, okay? Now, the estimated monthly earnings is between $1,100 and over $17,000 per month. Now, this is just from ads on the video, so this is not counting the affiliate commissions that you'll start making when you use this method. Now, here's another channel, Psychology Arcade. All they do is post very simple psychological facts or different information. You can see these are incredibly short, incredibly simple videos, and each of these videos are generating, close to 2,000 views or more. And this literally would take them seconds to spit out, okay? So now that you see what's possible, now that you see kind of what the end goal is going to be, the first step is we need to find an affiliate product to promote. One place you can go is clickbank.com. So all you have to do is go to ClickBank. You can click start here, create a free account. And now once you finish this process, you can go into your back office and you want to click the tab under marketplace. Now this is going to take you to this page here where you can basically see all these different categories. Now this method is going to work best in the health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, okay, and even spirituality. Now, actually for this video, we're going to be doing health and fitness, okay? So all I have to do is click there. Now on ClickBank specifically, we want to sort results by gravity, high to low, because what this shows us is the best-selling product. So you can see this one right here. This is insane. Anything above 30 is good with the gravity score, and this has 1,600. Okay, which is insane. And the average dollar per conversion is over $140, which is a pretty good commission, okay, as far as this method goes. Now we can open up the sales page, we can take a look. We just want to make sure that it looks pretty attractive, but because this has a high gravity score, that means it's selling well, so we can be rest assured this is converting. Now, once we do that, if you're using ClickBank, you would just hit promote, create hop link, and then this would be our affiliate link here. So this is the link if someone goes to and they buy, we get credit. So I'm going to put this in a notepad to keep this handy. Now, the next step is we're actually going to go over to a site called tinyurl.com. Now, what this site does is if you put in a long affiliate link, you can actually shorten this and make it look more attractive, make it look more appealing for people to click on. So I like to customize the link to make this easy for people to search and find. So our product right here has to do with weight loss, okay? So it says it's plants and nutrients. So I can write something like, best plant diet, and I'm going to click make tiny URL. Now we want to see if this is available. So this one actually is. So then all I have to do is go to copy. And now if someone goes to this shortened link, it's going to redirect to our affiliate link. And when they click order now, or they go to one of the buttons, add to cart, we will get credit and we will start to make money. So now let me replace this, and now that's looking really good. Now the next step is we want to go to InVideoio. The link will be in the description below. This is the free software that we want to use in order to pump out YouTube Shorts. So all you have to do is click sign up now, and you just go through the very simple process of putting in your name, email, password, and then creating an account. Now, once you're inside your dashboard, what you want to do is go to create new, and we want to go to templates. And what you want to do is you want to type in this little search bar, something like YouTube Shorts, okay? And we want to go ahead and search that. And this is going to give us all these templates. You can see this one right here with this motivational message is very similar to this one here. So maybe you can start to see how this is coming together. So now we just want to find one. Now, because I'm in the health and fitness niche in this video, I'm going to do this best cooking tips. So all I have to do is do that. We want to do portrait, okay? And we want to use template. So now it's going to load this into an editing platform where we can quickly edit some of the text in order to make this even better. Okay, so it loaded right there, and you can see the duration is 28 seconds, which is good. Anything between about 20 seconds to 60 seconds should work. Now, this actually has 6 different scenes, as you can see right here. Now, what we want to do is we just want to quickly edit this text to fit the product we're promoting. So you can see right here, the product has to do with weight loss and, plant-based things like that. So one thing that would be great for this are weight loss tips. So if we go to Google, you can simply type in, 4, because that's how many is actually in here. Okay, so 4, and then weight loss tips. Now you can do 4 money-making tips, 4 success quotes, okay, whatever you're doing. But for this example, we want to do that, search that, and then we can just go ahead and find an article. Okay, now this one has 12 tips, but we can just take 4 of them. So it says right here, do not skip breakfast, eat regular meals. So I can just copy the top 4, put that in our notepad, okay, and I can literally just erase the text that is extra, so it's just the tips, okay, like that. Then we want to go back to InVideio and just edit this text, okay? So I can go ahead and delete this just right there, clicking on it and clicking delete on my keyboard. I can make this there, and I can say best weight loss tips as I put in the text over there, okay? And you can kind of format this, very simple stuff. Now, right here, so it says cooking tip number 1. So I can just say weight loss tip number 1. Okay, we're literally just editing very simply, delete that. Now for here, we would just go over here, erase that tip, go here, copy the first one, and then put it in. Do not skip breakfast, okay? Now that's pretty small, so you can actually play around and make that bigger, okay? You can also edit the color, okay? So if it's kind of hard to see, I can change this fill color to something, maybe like that, okay? So you just want to play around with this. This should not take you long, okay? You just want to go very quickly through, weight loss tip number 2. Again, I would just click there, edit this, tip number 2, okay? Delete the thing we don't want, open this up here, and then put in the tip number 2. And you just want to do that and go through the process. Again, I can make this bigger just like that. And you just go through and complete the remainder very quickly. And then what we want to do is go to the last slide right here, and we just want to edit this and basically give a call to action for someone to go to our tiny URL. Okay, so that's why it's important to actually make the last few words very easily for people to search, because with YouTube Shorts, you can't put a clickable link on the video. They'll have to type it into Google and search it. So we want to make it very easily and effortlessly for them to find. So we just want to delete some of this stuff here, okay, like that, center this here. And then what I like to do is go over here and say something like, discover the best way to lose weight by going to, okay? And then we just want to put in this part right here. We just want to paste it in there, okay? So you can see it right there. And then we can actually make this a little bit wider just so it fills. And that's pretty darn good. So you can see right here, if we play this, what's going to happen is it's going to share 4 best weight loss tips, which is relevant to our product. Okay, and then at the very end, it's going to share our call to action. Okay, now people are going to see this. If they're interested in learning more, they're going to go to tinyurl.com, best plant diet. They're going to get redirected to our sales page, and we can start to make sales. Now, again, we're also going to be able to make money with our YouTube Shorts going viral, and you can see that this is another income stream you can earn. Now, just a few last tips. One thing you want to keep in mind is you want to create a channel that's branded to the niche. So you want to be posting these videos on a consistent basis, at least a few times per week around a similar niche. Now, another thing is when you upload these videos, you want to title it something, and you also want to include a keyword that people would be searching. In order to find some good keywords, you can go to the top search bar and just start to type in a little bit about what your product has to do with. So in this case, weight loss, and you can see all these different keywords that YouTube is giving us. These are real words people are searching in. So you can just take one of these and put this as the title of your YouTube short, and then this can start showing up when people actually start to search this in the search engine, okay? Your short can start showing up here, and then people can see it that way. So I really hope you enjoyed learning how to do affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. It's very, very simple. Stay consistent. Use that free software to start to pump these out on a daily or weekly basis, and you will start to make money. Also, be sure to go down below at the first link, get access to my totally free 4-day affiliate crash course, taking you by the hand, step by step to make your first $2,000 online. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.